Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your iPhone 15 Plus. So in the first step we have to open the App Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Now just install fax free and open it. Pass the setup and tap on the skip. Close this ad and now choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. Here, type the sender name and your phone number. After that, click on the Add document and choose Start Server document. You can also take the photo of the document. And now click on this little icon. Now you can crop the document or just resize it and adjust the shape of it. Click on the save. You can also draw something on it or just change the brightness and contrast. If you're ready, click done, and to send this message just click on this icon. That's it. Thanks for watching, it was a like or a comment, and goodbye.